WETLAND-SENTRY, Fire Prevention Through Continuous Aerial Surveillance. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present the WETLAND-SENTRY concept. I'd like to begin with a simple observation. The greatest challenge in wildfire response is often not the lack of firefighting resources. The real challenge is that fires are frequently detected too late. Every minute between ignition and detection allows a small fire to grow into a major emergency. Today, drones have become valuable operational tools. They provide excellent aerial imagery and support emergency teams during active incidents. However, drones are designed for short-duration missions. They require trained operators, have limited flight endurance, and cannot provide uninterrupted surveillance over large protected areas. This is where WETLAND-SENTRY offers a complementary capability. Our proposal is to deploy a tethered AeroStat, also known as a Helikite, as a permanent aerial observation platform. Positioned at approximately 100 meters above ground, the system continuously monitors vulnerable landscapes using high-resolution optical and thermal cameras. Unlike conventional drones, the AeroStat can remain operational day and night, providing real-time imagery to emergency coordination centers. Its purpose is straightforward: detect smoke and fire at the earliest possible stage. Early detection leads to faster response. Faster response means smaller burned areas. Smaller burned areas mean lower suppression costs, reduced environmental damage, and greater public safety. The concept is not intended to replace drones. Instead, it creates a layered surveillance system. The AeroStat provides continuous observation. When a threat is detected, drones and ground crews can immediately be dispatched to the exact location. This combination significantly improves operational efficiency while optimizing the use of existing resources. Beyond wildfire prevention, the same platform can support environmental monitoring, civil protection, flood observation, critical infrastructure surveillance, and disaster management. We believe that innovation should always be validated through practical experience. For this reason, we are proposing a pilot project in a protected natural area, allowing emergency services to evaluate the operational performance of the system under real conditions. The objective is simple: not to change existing emergency procedures, but to provide emergency services with a permanent aerial observation capability that enhances prevention and supports faster decision-making. Thank you for your attention. I look forward to your questions and to discussing how this concept could contribute to strengthening wildfire prevention and public safety. Frase finale, Q impact, open quote. The best wildfire is not the one we extinguish. It is the one we detect before it has the chance to spread, close quote.